February talon Delivo Bidhansabha vote ungnai Korakshala Hakotorni chongmari tangbedegni okra naikolnai Rajiv Kumar Saka 5 February o Delivo ungnai Bidhansabha chongmari 70 seat ni bishingo 58 seat angka general roni bagai te 12 seat angka tafashile jati roni bagai a vishnu finai 8 February wo board lakha jagnai Delhi Bidhansabha board ni logewo thansa ke shalkaisa wo no by election bo agnai Uttar Pradesh ni Malipur Bidhansabha te Tamil Nadu ni Irud Bidhansabha asuk thayo a shalo chongmari tangbedek ni okra naikol nai Rajiv Kumar Saka joto bodol ni candidates rogno kahamke naikol jagnai khanai a shalo Maharashtra ni chongmari ni mongkhor sayakari ni shaklaika khoroksa borok ni helicopter no naiserma ni bagai no thanai chongmari wo kisa urpati kha khanai kokthai hamyarok saklaijaka azwarawo baksa thaiwo hinke chongmari ni tangbedek ni tangkrak rogno domkirok rizago fiaba obokhai hafarobo sakbai thangni barjano kahamke khalaika khanai saka Rajiv Kumar chongmari ni bagai awai khalaimang jateke kahamke ongthong ayambo khagobo mogol toni janai khanai saklaika bo thangrang bodol rok bori rokna tewe je khugo phaibo abono sawi dekhe angla karagya prina harjaknai khanai saklaijaka finai 10 January bo notice saklaijaknai khanai sawi manka nomination blai rimane samong painai 17 January salmari bo nomination blai nornani samong painai 20 January salmari bo aboni yagulo 5 February bo angnai board te 8 February bo saklaijana board ni angkhari.
We will start it's a single phase election. Date of notification will be 10th of January, Friday. Last date of making nomination will be 17th of January. Scrutiny on 18th of January. Withdrawal 20th. These are the statutory periods of time which is given. Date of poll is 5th and counting is 8th, and 5th again we have very deliberately kept Wednesday. क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं सब दिल्ली वाले वोट करें, इसलिए इस बार भी महाराष्ट्र की तरह हमने इसको वेडनेसडे में रखा है. Entire election process after counting will be complete by 10th. And this is, we are doing elections in by-polls also, in Milkipur in UP and Erode in Tamil Nadu. Before you ask me why other by-polls are not being done, let me answer it here. Save one question from you. You can ask another question. There are two constituencies in J&K which are also due for election, Badgaon and Nagarota. Because of snow conditions, we will do it later. We still have time till April. Before that, we will complete those elections. There are two more. One is Basir Ghat in West Bengal, parliamentary constituency, and one is Bidhansabha in Gujarat MLA Assembly constituency. In both these cases, both are PC, sorry. In both these cases, there are election petitions pending, and the rule is that if a election petition is pending, we do not do by-elections there. The moment EPs are decided, we'll be ready to do it, as was the case with Milkipur earlier.
Sorry, Bidhansabha is AC only.
Bidhansabha is AC only, yeah, I know. The elections in Delhi, इस तरीके की बच्चों का यूज नहीं करेंगे, बिल्कुल भी करेंगे तो फिर लाइन अगर आप क्रॉस करेंगे, बच्चों का यूज करेंगे, महिलाओं के प्रति कोई गलत प्रचार करेंगे, हमने पिछले 3-4 इलेक्शन से किया हुआ है. जिस किसी ने महिला के खिलाफ बोलने की कोशिश की, हम नहीं अलाउ करेंगे. हमें हमारे एक तरफ वो एम्पावरमेंट हो रहा है, एक तरफ हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वोटर बना रहे हैं, उनको बूथ पे लेके आ रहे हैं, वो आ रही हैं अपने से, और आप उनको ऐसे बच्चों को अपनी मदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स को ऐसे बोलें, दिस इज शेमफुल. वी विल, अगर जरूरत होगी तो हम लाइन क्रॉस करेंगे और फिर केस भी करेंगे.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, कोखरा.